In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a custom template to your presentation in Genspark AI Slides. First, open Genspark and sign in to your account. Make sure you're on a reliable connection and that you have access to the workspace where your presentations live. Once you're in, you'll be ready to work with your slides. Next, head to AI Slides. From here, you can either start a new presentation if you're beginning from scratch, or open an existing one if you already have content prepared. If you're starting new, give your deck a clear title so it's easy to find later. If you're opening an existing deck, pause a moment to confirm everything has loaded and autosave is on. Inside the slides workspace, look for the template or design options. Depending on your layout, this might appear in a left sidebar, a top toolbar labeled design or templates, or within a theme panel. If there's a search or filter, use it to quickly find templates by style, color, or use case. Now choose the custom template you want to apply. A custom template typically includes your preferred fonts, colors, backgrounds, and slide layouts that match a brand or a specific look. Hover over a template to preview if that's available, and pick the one that best suits your content. Aim for consistency. If your deck includes charts, images, or code snippets, select a template that keeps those elements readable. After you select it, let Genspark format the slides using that template. The system will adjust layouts, update fonts and colors, and reflow content to match the new design. This can take a moment for larger decks, so give it time to finish before you start making changes. Once the template is applied, review the slide design and adjust anything that needs refinement. Scan your titles and body text for hierarchy and spacing. Check contrast to ensure text is readable over backgrounds. Look at image placement and cropping, and verify tables and charts align with the new color palette. If any slide looks crowded, switch to a different layout within the same template rather than shrinking text too much. Consistency is key, so keep headings and footers uniform. When everything looks right, continue editing or export the deck. You might fine-tune content, add speaker notes, or tweak animations. If you're ready to share, open the export options and choose your preferred format like a shareable link, PDF, or PowerPoint. Do a final pass for typos, confirm slide order, and you're done. Your presentation now carries a cohesive, professional template applied through Genspark AI Slides.